The reason why I'm out here is the injustice that is taking place with the people of Jamaica. A lot of the people of Jamaica are not that educated, but they are being robbed, they are being abused, and they need redress through the so-called justice system. And it is not giving them redress. What it is happening, they are using these technicality rules and undermining the fact that you have been robbed, you are being abused, you are being killed, and that is the real issue of the matter. And they are using these rules and these technicality rules to throw at the people, frustrate even the junior lawyers. And so you cannot get justice, and it shouldn't be. What it is, the judge needs to adjudicate over the facts of the matter and instead of the rule of the matter. So we need a system that can govern the facts of the matter, and then where there is attorney, they deal with the rules, because the attorney will be studying the rules within the court system. So the attorney can play with the rules. But when you deal with two persons in their sovereign capacity as two growing beings, mature beings, not a child, two growing beings, but they are not educated through the education system in the full capacity that they should be. It should be the facts that the judge adjudicate over, that the fact I've been robbed, I've been abused, I have been ill-treated, and I need redress. That is the fact. Not instead of I didn't cross the T, I didn't dot the I. It cannot be. And we won't be getting justice under this system, and this justice system need to change so the poor people, the third world country people coming out of slavery can gain wealth and their assets stop tying up in the court system so they can help themselves and stop going around impoverished, doing things out of frustration and then committing themselves more. So the system is setting them up to do wrong. So the system is conspiracy to turn people into criminal. They have a thing called mandatory business tax. For a small business just going into company, it takes at least 5 to 7 years for you to gain a customer base, for you to be fully tax compliant. So what they're saying now, once you have a company, you have to pay $60,000 mandatory, and then $15,000 the company have it. Plus you have to pay a light bill, water rate, and a liquor staff, and you don't even attract one customer yet. So you're paying over $100,000 yearly and you don't get one customer yet. And if you don't pay it, you go out of business. So what they are trying to say is either you come here rich, wealthy, or you're born in a wealthy class of family, then you can do trading and do business. And it's your right to survive, your right to trade. So this mandatory business tax is running small business people out of business, because they are not even making $20,000 sometime, because they're just going into business. And these well-established businesses are very competitive. And for you to be competitive and to be up on par with them, you have to build a customer base, and that take at least 7 years or 5 years in a Jamaica economy.
You're a victim of all of this system?
Well, I am a victim of all of this, and I have friends who are a victim of all of this, who even kill themselves because they are frustrated out of it and end up commit suicide because they don't know how to explain self, where to vent the anger. And a lot of these attorneys just taking their money and they get nowhere. So this is the root issue of the problem, not more policing and not more restricted laws that are taking away our right and our liberty. We can't even move freely. The root issue of the problem is people need access to their assets. People need opportunity, and we are being denied that.